Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you step by step on how to log out of your Robinhood account. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your account page. In the top left corner, tap the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the menu. Here you'll see the logout option. Simply tap logout and you'll be securely signed out of your Robinhood account. And that's it. Logging out only takes a few seconds and it helps keep your account safe, especially if you're using a shared device. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.